Hey everyone, I'm Hannah, your Excel teacher from Sheet Leveler, and today I'll show you how to copy an Excel worksheet to another sheet the right way. We'll make sure formulas, formatting, and values transfer correctly, so let's jump right in. First, open the worksheet you want to copy. To select everything, click the small triangle in the top left corner between column A and row 1. This highlights the entire sheet. Now right-click on that same spot and choose Copy. Open the sheet where you want to paste the data. Again, click the top left triangle to select everything, then right-click and choose Paste. If you choose Regular Paste, it will include formulas along with the data. If you only want the values, without formulas, right-click and choose Paste Values instead. Be careful. If your original sheet has formulas that reference other data, pasting them into a new sheet might cause errors. In most cases, pasting as values helps avoid any issues. And that's it. Now you know how to copy an entire worksheet in Excel while keeping your data exactly how you need it. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy Excelling!